In gardening, you just have to know when it's time to take something out. This plant's been good to me. Starting to get some disease, some powdery mildew. Say that 5 times fast. And it's not producing. Everything that's coming up is not getting fertilized or is dying. It's time. Time to say bye-bye. Thank you for your service. This one, there's no saving it. You can even see stuff flying around it. And again, every fruit on there is dying. It's got beautiful green leaves, but it's time. And I think it's transferring to my cucumber. But I did harvest from the cucumber today. You have to fully remove these things out of the ground. You can't just leave them here. And you cannot compost this. And look at that doggone frog. Oh, Jesus. Brown. Ooh. Now that I moved it to the side of the yard, on the fence line, look at here. You can see this moldy guy. It was done. Yep, it was done. Okay. And it's raining out here. Now I got an empty spot in the garden. Look at that brown frog. I mean, it's eating the insects. I can't say nothing, but just stay over there. I do have a pepper plant I could put here. I don't know if I want to mess with old buddy right now. You good. We'll deal with it later. Sorry about taking your cover. Find another one.